how to use Rev.com to make money online in 2021. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Rev.com to actually earn a full-time income for yourself. So guys, firstly, you have to come on to Rev.com. Now guys, once you come on to Rev.com, over here in front of you, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, you have in front of you the rates basically at which you can get these services for. So like if you're a client and you want to essentially, get these services like captions, foreign subtitles, transcriptions, well then they will charge $1.25 per minute, and then similarly $3 to $7 per minute for foreign subtitles. Now guys, the rate for translation, foreign subtitles and everything like that is usually very high because these are very difficult to get. So like if you are proficient in any language that they might need, well then you can essentially grab yourself a very high paying job from Rev.com. Now, they have been trusted by over 170,000 customers across all industries. Now, why am I telling you this? Because you have to understand, whenever you are working with a particular company, you have to actually take into consideration a lot of different things. Because guys, whenever you are working with a brand, the actual way to actually know about the credibility of a particular brand is to actually go to their website and learn about them, like how many people they are working with, how many people trust them, because the more trust a brand has, the more potential there is for that particular brand to actually grow. Now they have big clients like TCM, PBS, CBS, Viacom, and much more. Now over here, these are the features for basically clients, but I'm going to show you all the benefits and features that you will get while you are working with Rev.com. Now guys, once we come on over here, from the bottom, you can see two options. We have the careers option, then we have the freelancers option. I'm going to open up both, and I'm also going to open up the affiliates option as well, because that is also a very nice way to make money from Rev.com. Now, if we were to go over here on the careers section of Rev.com, over here we can see some of the more professional things. Like over here we have the perks. So basically you will have full benefits, equity, and a 401k account as well to basically save up on your savings and have something to retire to. And then also you will be provided with a customizable workspace. You can actually make a difference, stretch yourself, work wherever you want to, and have fun. Now, right now they have the following openings, and they need a CEO office coordinator, they need people in the engineering department, they need people in the marketing department. There are just so many features and so many openings right now that honestly you are not gonna run out of work anytime soon. But scrolling up, firstly we are gonna take a look at one of their job posting. I'm gonna open up this office coordinator for now, and also I'm gonna open up a software engineer as well. So once I open up these, I will be able to see the details of this particular jobs and the responsibilities that are gonna come with this particular job. So over here we have all the responsibilities, like you are going to be coordinating office events, operations and procedures. You are going to be implementing office procedures and practices. You will maintain the general upkeep of the premises. You will carry out routine checks to ensure safety and security. You will attend to general issues and fixing simple problems. Now, the qualifications that are required are basically a bachelor's degree in human resources or business management, proven experience working in a professional office environment, high proficiency in technology, and then also high standards of customer service. All these are basically benefits that are usually offered by big companies like Teradata, Microsoft, Apple, Google, and all these big names. But having an online service offer these benefits really tells you a lot about the particular brand. Now you can sign in either with LinkedIn or by simply putting in everything manually over here. Now once you do all of that, simply click on submit application, and your application is going to be sent to the recruiting team that are basically going to reach out to you if they find you talented enough. And then similarly for the software engineer, we have the same things. We have the details, the responsibilities and everything. So yeah, definitely go for this. Definitely apply on these positions if you have the potential. Now for all my freelancer friends, well, they have something for you as well. Now if you were to take a look over here on their freelancing jobs from Rev, well, currently they are not accepting any applications from my location, but that doesn't mean that they are not accepting applications from anywhere else. They might be accepting hundreds of applications from your location, so definitely come over and look for yourself. Now they will give you the opportunity to actually create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and get paid weekly. You will receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all the work completed. you can work either as a transcriptionist or a captioner. As a transcriptionist, you are going to be listening to audio and video, accurately typing what is being said, and then you are going to be labeling speakers, and the range of pay is going to be $0.30 to $1.10. And then similarly for a captioner, you are going to be watching video, accurately typing what is being said, creatively conveying sounds, and sync typed audio with a video. Guys, the pay for this is slightly higher because this is actually a much more complicated task, which means that you will basically have to creatively convey different sounds and type in things like crowd laughing, host cheers, and basically expressions as well, and not just the text or the language itself. So definitely a very, very nice opportunity for anybody who is just starting out. So over here you can even see another option that you can choose, and this pays the highest amount. If you know a foreign language, you can actually sign up to translate that language, and you can earn up to $1.50 till $3 for just 1 minute of transcribing audio. Guys, that is actually good money. Now scrolling down over here, you can even see some testimonials from different people who have used this particular platform for their business or for their personal use, and all of them have essentially nice things to say about this particular platform. They have been featured by the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, the Huffington Post, the Work at Home Wife, and Real Ways to Earn Money Online, and also Business Insider as well. Now from over here, if you were to click on sign up to be a Rev freelancer, you will be able to see a sign up form over here, but unfortunately I don't have any form because they are not accepting applicants from my location, but you will definitely see a form over here. So definitely give it a try, and you will actually be able to land quite a lot of jobs, because right now you might be thinking that getting a job would be really, really hard from Rev, but guys, honestly, once you start, there is no going back, and you will definitely be able to make a full-time income from this. Now guys, once you understand this section, now we can move on to their affiliate program. Rev.com's affiliate program is a very nice way to earn passive income if you don't have any skill, or if you just don't want to work. Now from over here, you will sign up in less than 60 seconds, you will advertise, and then you will monetize. You can earn up to $40 per referral with minimal effort using trackable links. And then after that, you will also have promotional materials, unlimited earning potential, and then you can get paid $20 to $40 in commission per new paying customer. So whenever a person signs up, you can actually get paid $20 to $40 per person, and I think that is a good amount. After that, you can simply learn more about this program from over here. If you have any one of these questions, basically how much can you earn, and then also how do I track my referral data, and what resources can I use. I mean, you can use Facebook groups, Reddit posts, communities, different forums to actually comment that if you want to make money, just simply sign up on this website and make money by typing, and that is really gonna get you a lot of people. So guys, those are the 3 ways that you can actually start working with Rev, and I wish you guys the best. And if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, until next time guys, goodbye.